This conference will now be recorded.
Let's see here, the last class what we discussed.
SU56.
So I forwarded some case study. You done the case study?
Case studies.
Huh?
I mean, only the one which you sent it to me before.
No, the last class one I'm sending now. Missing authorization objects.
No, sir, I did not do it. I'll be doing today. I did not do it. That one.
Oh, you not do that. Okay.
No, I did not do it.
Do that case studies. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So see here still now how many scenarios you completed here. So still now we're completing other 3 scenarios. Okay.
Yes.
Scenario one,
Yeah.
like how new employee will be joining. Okay. So what
Yes.
we'll do, you have to providing as a full authorization. So
Yes.
using as a SAP underscore all concept.
Yeah.
Okay. And scenario two. Okay, what is the scenario two? So you're using as a role concept, you're restricting as a and scenario three. What is scenario three discussing? So any common authorization objects will be there. So in the transaction code level, I can go for as a activities.
Activities. Yes.
Any kind of problems you can using as a SU53 for the missing authorization object display.
Yeah.
Now, so you have to go for a still know what are the things you do that all are the standard one. Okay,
Yeah.
so during the audit perspective, mainly for the SAP security means you told that you have very experience of audit also. So the external auditors will be came into your organization. Okay,
Okay.
external auditor will be came into your organization. Those are contact with your SAP security. Those are asking a few details. So what the details is asking? So now I want to know that who are having as a okay. Let's just the simple question. How many members? Okay, like I say, how many users having as a SAP underscore all?
Okay.
Then how we can the report? Okay, again they're asking as a how in the production system easily for that. Okay, so
Yeah.
the question is how many users having a SAP underscore all? I want to prepare list. Okay, here again they're asking what are the standard like default client, okay, default users, okay, default password. You're changing the passwords or not? I want to prepare the list. Okay, again here
Okay.
they're asking how many users will be having it, the license will be expired. Okay, license. I want to know that.
Okay.
Here, how many members are sorry? How many how many users not changing the password means the password policy for last 90 days onwards. So how I can do this all kind of okay. So
Okay.
the extra it will be came into picture. So again you have so many edits will be there. So under majorly the edit we have the different edit will be there. In the edit course you know all these things.
Yeah.
SAP system edit, okay, system edit, business edit, okay, as well as a very functional department like general ledger edit.
Okay.
These are the three kind of edits will be there. So in involving at a security consultant, I'm majorly involving at a system edit only because you only maintain the system, no? Like how
Yeah.
many clients, how many users, what kind of changes is done for the user. You are the responsible person to giving a report from there.
Okay.
So when I perform this all, how I can prepare the report? So that's why what happened. SAP also providing a report by using the transaction code SUIM.
Okay.
The user information system. So this is the part daily, or you can go for as a weekly, or you can go for as a uh, quarterly or externally. It will become into. So anyway, my responsibility one. So I want to prepare the report. Not only report here, you can finding the information. The user, what kind of data is available, what are the authorization object missing. For example, now same ST53 only, I'm getting some issues on ST53. What are the issues I'm getting here? See now, one finance guy is contact to you. So hi security department, I'm not able to I'm not able to create the invoice. Okay? So they're asking as a those are not able to create the invoice.
Okay.
Those are sending this to you. As a security counsel, how you can respond? You're asking as a please providing a SC53 screenshot. Okay?
Yeah.
So those are the SC53 screenshot also. At the time it's showing that some of the application object is missing, something the math application is missing, like that is showing. And now I know the authorization object.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I want to go for this authorization object. So that user having as a 10 rows will be there. How many rows have that guy? That guy have 10 rows. Out of the 10, out of the 10, which role is missing this authorization object? So I can perform. This is your daily facing issues in the real time.
Yeah.
Understand my concept here? So that guys, okay, you're finding solution also, some of the authorization is missing. So this authorization object, we have that guy only one role is that they directly go for that role and go for PFCs, you can change it. It is sufficient. That is automatically done. That's okay, that's good. Now that guy having a real time, one user having one role, no, you have multiple roles will be there.
Yeah.
So at that time, what we'll do? So how to perform the okay? So how we can performing as a so now how I can finding that guy 10 roles out of the 10 role, which role is message sorry, which role having as a missing this authorization update? I want to know that. So at that time we can using SUIM concept only.
Okay.
Okay. So these kind of options will be having as a okay. So now I'll go for
Okay.
I'll give the Excel sheet also later. So you can do audit in real time. How the Excel audit will be came into picture asking as a audit report. I'll forward that
Okay.
also. Okay.
Okay.
So please share the screen.
Okay.
Hmm. Hmm. Now go for SUI here. Now it's showing the user. See here. So what is the user master record here? So user consists of only four concepts: user, role, profile, authorization, and below one is the group concept is not available. When you go for interview, they're
Yeah.
asking us in SUM group wise you cannot performing as a reporting. Only for single users, or you can go for multiple group wise. It is not possible. Okay.
Mm.
So
Yeah.
except the user, you know, any one thing remaining all will be common. Okay. Expand the
Yeah.
user. Everything is only for the. So again, user by complex selection criteria. And again, above one is the CUA concept. So if you have the CUA, you can do that. Now I can go for normal ones. Okay, user by complex criteria. And again, users by complex criteria. Click on that. So now enter the any user ID. So you want to know what are the role or what the profile you're assigning. So enter any user ID. So now, okay, what are the roles will be assigning? Select that. Just click on above role concept. How many roles will be assigning? No, go back, go back. That is a normal one. Roles is selected. So what are the roles will be there? So how many roles are having this? You have
Two
two
roles.
roles is there. Assigning 13/12/2020. Okay, two roles are having. So you can downloading the report part. Now what happened after these two rows? Again, I have to find the authorization. That will be go for later. Go back.
Okay.
And even what are the profile will be assigning for this? No profile. You not gendered the profile. Just you're creating and left. Now profiles are assigned. Okay, now go back. Again, change your document. This guy, when it is created, when it is changing, when is the password change, I want to know overall details. So when this user is created,
User is
this
created.
was created by the who's created. So 31st, sorry, 13/03/2020, and
Yeah.
the username is Muhammad. Who's
Yes.
created? Muhammad was created this user ID. After that,
Okay.
assigning some role from him. Okay, when it is login, after his login, first of all, is assigning a jet_test05 is assigning. Okay, after that is adding some profile.
Profile.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now again, what is doing here? After that, test09 is login and is adding one more row.
Okay. Role added. Profile added. Profile for previously.
Hmm.
PO used
Okay,
PSDB.
yeah, that's good. Okay, now go back. Okay, these are the data. Okay, just go back. Go back. Yeah, next one, same thing. Now, if you want to enter any role name, that role name below one is same. By user ID is there, that is same. Click on by
Okay.
user ID and getting the same detail by user ID.
Oh, okay.
Again, enter the any user ID, you can get the same detail. Give again, just test07.
Oh, okay.
Roles.
Now this is the role.
By role name. Give any role name. That role, how many users will be assigning is showing all the detail. Give any role name. No, not star. Star is nothing. Okay, you're browsing Z_, just put Z_, because
Okay.
almost you're getting the roles are Z_ only. No?
Okay.
Z_star. It's showing more than 5. No, that's not just on z underscore, putting z underscore star. Again, it's getting a z underscore test, you can put it.
Okay.
Close it, again, browser option, test underscore star. Before star and then the star you can put because it's getting all the details.
Okay.
Again, 151 is there. Scroll down. Now I want to know who are assigning this role, when this role is assigning from, what are the used ID? Good. Click on execution. Again, how it's showing, like say, this is the user ID
Yeah.
having the, okay,
Okay.
equal to role. Again, above, select again role, profile, change the document, everything checking one by one directly here. No profile means you not generate the authorization tab, only create the role. Change the document. Again, when this user ID is created, same output. Okay. Next one. Profile base. Now it's showing as a enter one role name, automatically getting as a how many roles will be, sorry, how many users will be in that particular role.
Yeah.
Okay, only one role, one was ready. Next
more.
one. Previously asked one question. Now I want an SAP underscore how many member having this profile. I want to prepare list. Go back. By profile concept. Give the profile name. SAP underscore how many members are having this profile. Click on execution. How many members are there totally?
Totally
And members
739.
are having this. Okay, after just find it, if user is there or not. Click on Control F, check it, Muhammad is there or not. Because you out of 730, you are the one user ID. Control F.
Yeah.
In real time, you want to download and give to the them. Control F. Just click on Control F, find the user ID.
Control F or Control A?
Control F. Yeah, finding.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Now it is getting one hit is found. Yeah, your user ID also there. So after that 739, you are the one guy to having a SAP underscore R. Close it. Give that again, SAP underscore new. Same profile of SAP underscore new, any profile name. What we understand this here, particular user ID, how many profiles are there, how many roles you can checking all those things here only. SAP underscore new, you're assigning as two profile SAP underscore or SAP underscore new, na? Hmm. 655. After that, just click on Control F, you were having or not. Okay, that will be there. Yeah. That is okay. Go back. Again, go back. By authorization. Give any authorization update, that particular authorization update, how many members are having that authorization update? Give that S_T code. This is only for user list. S_T code. Click on execution. So many users are having this report. You're learning this into edit now. You're already done the edit certification now. At the time you discuss this concept. You know this concept. Hello. You're in mute actually. Yeah. Now see how many members are having here. Hello. Hello. Mohammed, you're in mute. Please unmute.
Hello.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Now see how many users are having this report here. So totally here.
7,000.
Yeah, 7,263.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go back. Even you can checking your user ID is available or not later. Next one, by authorization values. Now give the Sri, I want to know that authorization object with a value. Okay. Suppose this give the authorization of S_US_GRP. USER, user. No, USER. ER_GRP. Okay, and select the input values. Give the values. Values like give the 0, 1, 2. Like you want to know the activities, na 0, 1, 2. No, below one. The below one is that is a class name. Means the class name is nothing but a group name. No need to go to just in below. Below two fields is there, na class and activity. Below one.
Okay.
Give the
Yes.
03 display. How many members are having display? 03. Give that again under condition or condition will be there. Click on execution. You perform this reporting audit. I'm asking previously. That's when.
Yes. During the audit time.
Hmm.
how many logged users in the system,
Hmm.
and
At the performing?
huh?
At that time, how you were performing?
Yeah, I used SWIM in production system to get the
Hmm.
details.
Okay. Same report or you give any other detail? Same thing or you do another report?
No, same type of reports.
Okay. Hmm. Now see here, you're asking here S underscore, how many members are totally here? 5,989 having as a this.
Yeah.
Next one. Okay. Go back. That authorization update as well as that value. So here the conditions are there, and the condition or condition that is the most important. Okay.
Okay.
Go for next one. Hmm.
One time in production, they asked for the report how many users are logged in production, and
Logged.
because
Uh,
for the licensing fees, how much fees they were paying, and how many users for the active users in the production.
that is different.
So
that is the user license one.
yeah, so what happened was that for production, creating users and locking users was another person's job. So they told me to pull out the report. What I noticed, the users were logged, but they were never expired. So if the user is not
That is a
expired,
service user ID.
huh?
That is a service user ID. Never explained me. Those taking user type is a service user ID.
Yeah, no, I'm talking about dialog users.
Dialog user, how they never explained?
They just log the user, and the expiry date was unlimited. I mean, like,
Okay, from value to
there
value,
was
give
no
the.
range.
Hmm.
So what happened? They were still paying licensing fees for the past 2-3 years for the logged users also, because if you don't expire the users in production, you will still be paying to SAP.
Hmm.
So I showed them that these users were logged but never expired, and they are still not working in the company, because in production you don't delete the users
Yes.
for audit purposes. So I showed them this is what going on in the system.
Then what you can give the suggestion that you're putting the password expiration time will be there, no?
No, he was not putting expiry time. That was the thing.
No, that user here, just remember here, the user is now, you show that from log on means even when you create any user ID, by default, the date will be taking as a, even dialog user by default is taking as a 31st 12 999 is taking.
Yes.
So at that time, what we'll do, so you have to go for the login parameter. The password login is there now.
Yes.
You can just say again the password expiration for every 90 months. No, sorry, the 19 days. You can set that parameter automatically. What happened every 90 days, the password will be expired now. So at that date, user will be contact to you who the password will be expired. Okay.
They never did
So
in production like that.
Yeah, I can do that. Any parameter you can do production also. Password expiration time will be there.
Okay.
That at the time the audit will be very easy. No, I'm asking as you previously I think you also told that I'm done the audit configuration, audit. You done the audit certification. At that time, this topic will be covering now.
Yes.
So at that time, what kind of audit you doing here? Not a real time is in the audit course. What kind of activity perform each and everything, or you do only single?
Only single.
Only C. So what kind of report are you doing?
Logged user
What-
report.
No. Like when you go practical, they have the only theoretical is not. No? When you do practical, also, what kind of reports you preparing by using this SUIM? How you preparing? Are you just execute SUIM or using any other transaction codes?
No. SUIM. Just
SUIM.
SUIM.
In the Aditi, you don't have SUIM. No. In Aditi, you don't have SUIM transaction code. You have separate roles. The totally 81 roles will be there. You have to assign that role, then automatically is getting this all audit reports. I'll just know that, no problem. Okay, we'll do that. Okay,
Oh.
can do that now.
Okay, sure.
Next one, transaction code with authorization. Because of the audit rules are different.
Okay. No, I
Now
never
enter-
did a job for audit.
No, you done the certification, no?
Yes.
Yeah, in the certification training, okay, those are how you're preparing reporting for user reporting or any other. Yeah. Okay, yeah. No, enter any transaction code, just assume like a SM50 transaction code. How many members are having SM50 transaction code? Click on OK. Click on execution. You know one thing, remaining everything will be easy. But when you go for that, I told you just now. So in real time, the searching is longer time. Okay, like that particular now out of 10 role, which authorization update is missing, which role is missing. The filtering is very, very difficult to getting at this. The answer will be SUIM, but you want to know all those. Now see how many members are having total. So you have more than 5,655 members will be there.
Yeah.
Okay. Go back. Go back. Next one. Okay, unsuccessfully log on. So till now, how many members are typing the password will be wrong. Same thing, you can go for SC38 or you can prepare the report directly. But you want to restore the all the report, that is very difficult. You have to remember all reports. Otherwise, you have to remember all the navigation. So how many members are there here totally? 189 members are having users usually not you. The users is created, but not in use. Till now is not. Otherwise, the locking by someone.
Okay.
Okay, our password is expired.
Okay.
Now it's asking question and the production system is getting unlimited. So once suppose the password is expired, automatically what happens showing that when this password is expired. Okay, at that time what happens showing it not in use. Not in use is nothing but you don't pay the license from there.
Okay.
In use is nothing but in the production you don't pay the license. Why? Because you have the proof will be there. So still now the password is expired, you don't have option to log in and you don't have optionals. Then you can take the screenshot and send to SAP. Then your user license will be reduced.
Okay.
Okay. The parameter was the password expiration time. Log on data and password change. Again, give the username star and give the number of days. So last 90 days onwards, who are not logging. Last 6 months onward, who are not change the password. Days only, number of days only. 90 days. Last 90 days onwards, who are not change the password. 30 days, just give the number below. Below one, below. That is a login. That is a login. Who are not login? Below one is there, na? Number of days since login. Give the number of days also. No? Who are not login also. About that,
Number of
see,
days.
both are different. Who are not login? Sorry, who are not logging last night and who are not changing. Both are different.
Both are different.
Now the report is getting a 7,000 members. Either 90 days. Click on execute. Either 9,000 is 90. Sorry, 90 days is better.
90 days.
Okay, no. Because 1 month onwards, na, so now 1 month you get a lot of users get a lot longer detail.
Number of days.
90 days the company policy will be you have to check the password. Okay, again it's getting saved. So when it is showing is last date is 15th to 2020.
Yeah.
1 month back. Okay, who are not logged when it is not logged. Okay, showing all the detail here. Back. Critical, I will explain this critical option. Critical. That is a different one. Who are having as a critical authorization, critical permission. I will explain this later. The combination.
Okay.
Expand the role. Again, by role assignment, again same thing is get by
Same thing. Role name, user assignment. Assignment in menu.
again go for that by role name, by user. Go for user way first of all. I want to know my user ID, how many roles will be assigning.
Okay.
With any role name, that role or what are the users will be there. Same thing.
Okay.
Complex means everything is getting. I want to go for individually. You can select individually one by one.
Okay. By role name.
Select the role name. This role, what are the user having at this role?
Okay.
Previously, what we did, you give the user ID. That user ID, what are the roles is showing?
Yeah.
Hmm.
User has.
Again, it's give the role name. Everything same. Report was common,
Same thing.
but you were searching now that this was different.
Yeah. Okay.
By user statement. Give the any row username. That user, how many roles will be assigned? Only one role will be assigning. Again, check it here. Above what details are there? What are the transaction codes will be there? Okay, is a composite role or single role? Okay, the profile is generated or not? You can checking all those details. The transaction is showing. So the transaction will be assigning.
Yeah.
Yeah. So go back here. Next one, by transaction menu. Give any enter from transaction code to transaction. Now I want to know SU01 and SU10. How many members are there? How I can go two transaction at a time? Available is in two transition codes. SU01 and SU10. And this transition code, how many rows having this? Okay, previously this user, now your role.
Yeah. Users.
Totally 45 rows having as a. So double click any role, you can just check it. The transaction code is assigned or not. Go for menu tab and check it. Showing you the router. Okay. Add is nothing but it's a compulsory. Profile name, we don't know that because of T underscore some profile, that is, we don't know that. That is very difficult to find.
Okay.
Go for authorization object base. Give any authorization. That authorization object, how many members having there are roles. No, okay, fine. Yeah, S underscore yes and GRP. Click on execution. We also have totally 216. Okay. Yeah. Go back. By authorization object values. To 70 rows will having that. Icons, you are checking each and every icon, the user profile, so single role comp. Icons is a green color, the BMW symbol, the transaction. Again, everything is one thing, remaining everything will be common.
Okay.
Okay, and next one is the so last 1 week onwards or last 1 month onwards. For example, give your user ID. Muhammad, how many roles will be created till now? Click on execution. How many is it totally here? 19 will be, 15 will be there.
Yeah.
Okay, 15 role will be on. Go back. Next one, by profile wise. No, that's okay. That is a different one. Again, similarly, profile wise, give all the details one by one. Okay. So remaining, just practice one by one. Just same procedure, give the input and proper output. The most important thing will be on the The user as the last one, change the document.
Okay.
So because of who need this clear, that is one. Okay. Now once go for your Gmail ID, I'm providing it one audit to you. So your agenda will be on. Just minimize this. Minimize this. Minimize this. Minimize this. Open your Gmail ID.
Oh, okay.
Minimize this RDB. Go for your Gmail ID. Download the. Just now I'm sending one thing. Just go for there.
Okay.
Refresh it. Open that it. Download it. Scroll down below. Download that Excel sheet. So your work will be on. This is just I'm an external editor. I'm coming to your location. Okay. Now first one is okay. Now here how we can prepare the fourth one, fifth one till here the so many options will be there.
Okay.
Okay. So what are the things you know? Just can put together, make a column. I'm done this. I'm done this. I'm done this. I'm this. If you are facing any difficulty, I will explain. Because once you go for the security job, the external audit will be came into picture. So you have to provide this all the details. Every company has same detail.
Oh, okay.
Same requirement. Yeah. What are the thing like for example, simple firefighter design that is GRC.
Okay.
Above simple finance and design that is the GRC. What are the things you not understand just left out. Okay. Now your practice is so once you have to go for each and for example go for fourth one. I will explain just fourth one. Square upside. Fourth one they're asking here. They're asking as a using the transaction SC16N. Okay, don't putting any changes. Don't putting the maximum number of entries. 500 is there. You can go for 999 or you can put it to empty. Under USR 02 table, what are the data they can download? You just download the report and attaching this Excel sheet.
Okay. Okay.
That is it. Second, fifth one, third one, and then everything are done. Add the reporting here and send to revenue back once you've done all those things. Anything you don't know, just putting a help. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So any company when the external audit will become, these are the if you are working in an audit also, security also, these are the questions that are asking to you, and you have to providing this document. Okay. So check it. If just like it like a fourth one, you know, fifth one, you know, just you done only, and 10th one you don't know, 11th one you don't know, 12th one you don't know, 13th you know that, 14th you don't know, 15th you know that, 16th you know that, 17th you know that. Scroll down. Remaining are small monthly. Okay.
Okay.
Remaining all the table level or US level this report.
Yes.
Okay. So once you down, now I don't want just you can go further and download the report in your desktop. What are the computer I'm providing now? In this way you can download all the audit. Just mention are they Muhammad audit. Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Excel sheet download it. Now you're preparing only for monitoring. You can download the report.
Sure.
That's all I want.
Okay.
Okay. Do this and do the S53 as well as this. And you get the video, get the video, download all videos or any facing issue for the video downloading?
No, I'm not getting any issues. I
Because
downloaded
of
the
some
video.
guys are not able to download it, you are asking authorization, something issue getting it.
Okay.
Check it the Excel sheet, you know that how to open the link and how you can download, you know that the video download.
The video download, I already did it.
Already 5 is downloaded, na? 5 last 5 a week.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, sorry, I forgot to ask you.